Greetings, music makers! I'm Dr. Cayari, and in this video we'll be working on down and up strums on the ukulele. What you'll already need to know is how to play C, F, and G. So grab your ukulele, warm up your fingers, and let's get ready to learn. So as a reminder, your C major chord uses your 3-finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. It sounds like this. Your F major chord uses your 1st finger in your 2nd string, 1st fret, and your 2nd finger in your 4th string, 2nd fret. It sounds like this. And finally, the G major chord, you take your ring finger, put it in the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and your 1st and your 2nd finger go in the 2nd fret on the 1st and 3rd string. Let's put those chords in a progression. We'll go C, F, C, G. Let's play whole notes. Get your ring finger ready for your C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, back to C, and C, 2, 3, now a G, 2, end on a C. Stop the strings. Now let's try playing 4 quarter notes on each chord. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 2, 3, move to F, 2, 3, 4, C. Now G, end on a long C, 2, 3, 4, stop the strings. You'll notice how we played all down strums. Now let's learn about up strums. Whether you're using a pick, your thumb, your index finger, make sure that you're approaching the strings at a 45-degree angle. The same rings true when you're doing up strums. So for example, when you're playing a chord, you're approaching the strings at a 45-degree angle, you twist your wrist slightly and you come up at another 45-degree angle. You don't want to worry too much about the number of degrees at which you're approaching the strings, but as a good rule of thumb, you want to make sure that your wrist is loose. So if you're using your thumb, you're using the pad of your thumb and the nail, and if you're using your index finger, you're hitting it with the nail and then the pad. Now we'll play our chord progression using 8th notes, going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try it together. 1 and 2 and ready, C. Move to F, back to C, now a G, and on a C, 2, 3, 4, stop the strings. Go ahead and use the scroll bar to try that as many times as you want until it gets comfortable. We want to get to a point where our right hand goes up and down at a regular pace. That might remind you of a pendulum from a clock, and so I usually call that the tick-tock pattern. Using the tick-tock pattern, we can touch the strings whenever we want to make them sound. I'm going to pretend my arm is that tick-tock, and I'm going to touch the strings only when I want to. So I've got tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Do you see how my hand keeps moving, but it only sounds when I want it to? So I'm going to put up a new rhythm over here, and it goes down, down, up, down, down, up. I'm going to play it on C chord. Try it with me. Let's try playing our chord progression. 1, 2, and ready, go. Move to F, back to C, now a G, do it again, C, now an F, now a C, back to G, and on a C, 2, 3, 4, stop the strings. This one goes down, 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 up, down. So let's play our chord progression and say which direction we're strumming. 1, 2, ready, go. C, down, down, up, down, F, down, down, up, down, C, down, down, up, down, G, down, down, up, down, C, down, down, we're done. Let's try saying and playing this one. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, and on a C, 2, 3, 4, done. Let's do one more. Down, up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, down, and on a C, 2, 3, 4, stop the strings. Are you ready to musically check in and try it with some of my clones? We'll play the same chord progression, but what you'll see on screen is each of the clones are playing a different rhythm. Go ahead and pick which one you want to replace, or try making one up on your own. Get ready. Were you able to keep up? If so, fist bump that like button so that I can know how many people were able to learn with us. If you're ready to replace one of my clones with a video of you, there's a collaborate link in the description box below. Don't forget, when you're done, come back and share a link to the video that you created. If you'd like to play more with the ukulele, click on the Learn playlist up there. If you'd like more music under a minute projects where you can collaborate with me, click on the Create playlist down there. And of course, if you want to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the resources that I create, click on my face over there. And until next time, keep on making music.